did it in the end. I broke my Jeep. Sort of. Not sure what's going on. I had to get it refisted. The shifter back at 2-wheel high. Right now, it's loose again. So I had to call underneath, get the bushing, pushing in, shift it, and back at 2-wheel drive high. But for right now, I had no ramp, so I used the log to lift it up. It's look like flex. Alright, let me get my tools. I'll show you underneath. Well, maybe I can reach it. This is right there. It's a little plastic. I know you can't see, but it's right there. So you make sure your sauce, make sure it's cool enough. And you don't want to burn yourself. Alright, let's try these again. Keys. Key be good. You need to put it in neutral. Alright, it's doing a 4-wheel drive high. Shift it to neutral. And right. And problem solved. And voila. Problem fixed. And it's not loose. Well, good thing I had a parking brake. And I'm gonna worry about my tools. Genius. And don't forget to the flashlight. I was very smart. If I had a parking brake. Alright, all fixed. Now I'm just trying to put the tools away, put everything back into my little recovery toolbox. And none of hurts had a spare those guys. So I got 4 spare and keep it in there. This baby. Yeah, I dropped my keys. That's okay. Now I just need to put stuff away. Now let's do a drive. And thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Thank you.